Consider one example on parallel resonant circuit. For the network shown below, find the value of inductance. Take omega is equal to 500 radians per second. We can see here the parallel resonant circuit, and we know that in parallel resonant circuit, the circuit will resonate when net susceptance of the admittance is 0. The condition for resonance in case of parallel resonant circuit is given by XL divided by XL square plus RL square is equal to XC divided by XC square plus RC square. We'll call it as equation 1. Here the given data is RL is equal to 2 ohm, XL is unknown, RC is equal to 5 ohm and XC is 10 ohm. Let's substitute the same thing here. XL is unknown, XL divided by XL square plus RL value is 2, that is 2 square is 4, is equal to XC value is 10 divided by XC square is 100 plus RC value is 5, that is 25. So simplifying this, XL divided by XL square plus 4 is equal, it gives 0.08. Simplifying this, XL is equal to 0.08 into XL square plus 4. So simplifying this, I can write XL is equal to 0.08 XL square plus 0.32. So further I can represent this as 0.08 XL square minus XL plus 0.32 is equal to 0. So now here we can observe that this is the quadratic equation. We know the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing equation 2 and 3, I can write a is equal to 0.08, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0.32. Now solving the quadratic equation 2, I can write XL is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is XL is equal to minus b value is minus 1, so it is plus 1 plus or minus under root b square, that is 1 square is 1 minus 4 into a value is 0.08 into c value is 0.32 whole divided by 2 into 0.08. Simplifying this further, XL is equal to 1 plus, solving this square root part, will get 0.9474 divided by 0.16. So therefore, considering XL1 is equal to 1 plus 0.9474 divided by 0.16 will get 12.17 ohm, and considering XL2 is equal to 1 minus 0.9474 divided by 0.16 will get 0.328 ohm. Therefore, we know that XL1 is equal to omega naught L1. Therefore, L1 is equal to XL1 divided by omega naught, which is, that is 12.17 divided by 500. Therefore, L 24.34 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. Similarly, XL2 is equal to omega naught L2. Therefore, L2 is equal to XL2 divided by omega naught, which is equal to 0.328 divided by 500. L2 is equal to 0.656 10 raised to minus 3 Henry. So therefore L1 is 24.34 millihenry and L2 is 0.656 millihenry. Thank you for watching.